grown out of a divided nation. People come to Berlin to dream, to dance, and to fall in love.
Would it be possible to take you to dinner? See, I don't speak German.
Oh, hello, darling. Hello. What's this?
This is Nazar.
Is he from the shelter?
No, I picked him up in an alleyway.
Tough day, huh?
Italian.
You remind me somehow of my first boyfriend. He was also a bit nerdy.
What would you say your odds are right about now?
50-50.
50-50?
Listen, everything always comes down to 50-50. Something's either gonna happen or it's not.
We've come so far.
Still okay?
I just had a fight with my boyfriend.
I think those kind of things happen.
I know what you're doing here is very noble, but it's an escape.
It is not an escape. This is Berlin. This is what life is right now.
You go out, have some fun.
Why? What's so important about me going out?
The thought of you going out, maybe meeting someone's bloody marvelous.
I came here to fly away.
I came to restore my faith in life.
Came to Berlin for a rebirth.
Are you alright? 50-50, brother.
This is how it all begins again. Feeling of love is possible. I'm very proud of you. Everything is possible.
Is this typical Berlin?
Nothing's typical Berlin.